Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself, Rabia, and my friend Hairul Rahmat will explain about culture geography, especially the culture in Toraja. Culture is a collection of behaviors and traditions of a group of people. For example, in some culture, it is common for a bride to wear white on her wedding day, whereas in other cultures, a bride wears red. Culture geography studies how the physical environment interacts with the traditions of the people within it. Culture geography is the study of culture products and norms and their variation, how they relate to space and place. Culture geography focus on the description and analysis of language, religion, economy, government, and other cultural phenomena that vary or remain constant from one place to another and explain how humans find especially. This article specially will review the geographical definition of culture, history, scope, and examples. Cultural geography. Cultural geography is the study of culture aspects found around the world and how they relate to the space and place from which they originate and then travel as people move. Some of the main culture phenomena studied in culture geography include language, religion, different economic and government structure, art, music, and other aspects of culture that explain how and why people function as they do in the areas where they live. Globalization has also become increasingly important for this field as it allows certain aspects of culture to easily travel around the world. Culture landscapes are also important because they connect culture, the physical environment in which people live. This is very important because it can limit or maintain the development of various aspects of culture. For example, people living in rural areas are often more culture attached to the natural environment around them than those who live in metropolitan areas. These are general the focus of the tradition of human relations and environment in the four geographical traditions and study the impact of human action on nature, the impact of nature on humans, and people's perceptions of the environment. Culture geography is the study of how cultures differ in space or in other words. Culture geography is the study of relationship between culture and place. Culture geography has long been a core component of the discipline of geography.
The Toraja tribe is a tribe that lives in the mountains of the northern part of Sulawesi, Indonesia. Its population is estimated at around 1 million people, so 500 of whom are still living in Tanah Toraja, North Toraja Regency, and Mamasa. The majority of the Toraja are Christian, while some adhere to Islam and an animist belief known as Aluk Todolo. The Indonesian government has recognized this belief as part of Hindu Dharma religion. The word Toraja comes from the Bugis language, Turiaja, which means people who live in the land above. The Dutch colonial government named this tribe Toraja in 1909. The Toraja are known for their funeral rituals, traditional tongkonan house, and wood carving. The Torajan funeral ritual is an important social event, usually attended by hundreds of people and lasting several days. Prior to the 20th century, the Torajans lived in autonomous village. They still adhere to animism and have not been touched by the outside world. In the early 1900s, Dutch missionaries came and spread Christianity. After becoming more open to the outside world in the 1970s, Tanah Toraja district became a symbol of Indonesian tourism. Tanah Toraja is used by tourism developers and studied by anthropologists. Toraja people since 1990 an experience of cultural transformation from traditional faith and agrarian society. People become Christian. Majority and religious sector tourism continue to increase. The Toraja had few clear ideas about themselves as an ethnic group before the 20th century. Prior to the Dutch colonies and the period of Christianity, the Torajan who live in the highland were identified by their village and were not considered to the same group. Although the ritual create links between village, there is great diversity in dialect, social hierarchies, and various ritual practice in the highlands of Sulawesi. Toraja, from the coastal language to meaning people, and Riaja, highlands, was first used as design for the lowland inhabitant of the highlanders. As a result, in the beginning, Toraja had more trade relation with the outsider, such as the Bugis, Makassar, and Mandar tribes, who inhabit most of the lowlands of Sulawesi. Then, with fellow tribes in the highlands, the presence of Dutch missionaries in the Toraja highland gave rise to awareness of the Toraja ethnicity in the Southern Toraja region, and this shared identity grew with the rise of tourism in Tanah Toraja.
Such the description of culture geography, spatial culture in Toraja.
Hopefully this is useful for all the viewers. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.